Hello, this is Logan Robichaux with SCM Design Group. Today we'll be discussing, will a bathroom remodel increase the value of my home? Now, the two things to consider with bathroom remodels are, what is the standard for other homes in your neighborhood, and how long will you be staying in this home? These two factors will help determine your ROI, or return on investment. So the national average for return on investment for bathroom remodels is about 70%. And we have found that homes in the Woodlands do increase in value every 7 years. So if you're planning to renovate in order to sell, a small budget dedicated to cosmetic updates should give you your best value. But if you are planning to stay for the long haul, then a major remodel with high quality materials will still give you a pretty good ROI. However, take into consideration that one of the biggest mistakes that renovators tend to make is increasing the value of their home above the average for others in their neighborhood. Home prices tend to reflect what buyers value and what they're willing to spend their money on. So if your master bathroom outprices the nicest one in your neighborhood, you may not get the best return on your investment. So before you break out the sledgehammer, take into consideration your local real estate market and your own personal goals for the home. Thank you.